Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amy and you are watching Android Power. Finally, Xiaomi has released global stable Android Oreo update for Note 5 Pro users. I will tell you all about MIUI 10 Oreo build. But before moving ahead, if you are first time here, I request to all of you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more future videos from Android Power. If already done that, then please like this video. It's free and it motivates me to make this kind of content. If we go to system settings, about phone, the MIUI 10 update is based on Android Oreo and the build number is 10.3.1 and the security patch level is from April 1. So still not the Pi update for us. And if you try to check the changelog on the update by going to what's new, there are plenty of bug fixes in this update, but I am not seeing any new features with this update. So it's a bug fix update for the stable users. Regarding the system, they have updated the Android security patch to April 1, but in the beta builds, we are getting latest security updates, but here it's mid-May and still the April patch for Note 5 Pro stable users. Anyways, coming to the changes and fixes, they have fixed calls ending longer than it expected. So let me check, and here as you can see, ending calls have no issues and VoLTE is working fine with Jio 4G. On the next, they have added the face lock support for the app lock and added one new feature for face lock in the lock screen. If we go to lock screen and then face lock, here you can enable stay on the lock screen feature in the face lock. If you enable this option, you will be on lock screen if device has recognized your face. Fingerprint is also working great and have no issues. Now let's more talk about the app lock. In the stable build, we are getting option to unlock the apps via face unlock. You can use pattern lock and fingerprint and face lock to unlock the apps you want. As you can see, it's working fine for my locked apps, so pretty handy stuff with the stable update. Now talking about the camera in this update, regarding the new features of the camera app, there are no new modes, picture quality is fine, there is some lag while taking multiple pictures. Also, there is no AI mode in the camera app. About the video settings, still there is no 4K recording, but yes, 1080p recording at 60 frames per second is available. So still the same camera app with the Oreo update. Now let's talk about the camera to API in this update. For this, go to manual camera compatibility app and start the test. But unfortunately, there is no camera to API enabled in this update. If you want to use Google Camera, you need to enable this manually with root. And if we go to security app, there is no speed booster like beta builds, and also game booster version is older with the stable update. Regarding the location, I tried locking my location and it instantly locked my location, so GPS have no issues. So talking about the benchmark scores, the Geekbench score for single CPU core is 1302 and multi-core score is 4463 and Antutu version 7 score is 1,09,996. So that's pretty much for this video. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.